I seem to have a notification. You want an honest review of Dollar Tree diamond paintings? Challenge accepted, Anne. Might be in like the toys. I found paint by numbers and sun catchers, but no diamond paintings. Check out the sign.
All right.
Turn that frown upside down. I'm guessing to the Google. Something is telling me that none of these three are what Anne was talking about. Yeah, these are just small partials, and they're not available anyway. So they are where I thought they were, in the craft aisle. Thanks, Christina. These are not available either. Better check all stores within a couple hours of here. Oops, while it might be fun to see Bernie, Vermont is not what we want. I'm sorry, Anne. I checked every corner, end cap, clip, and online. I wasn't able to get the job done. I will definitely keep a lookout for them, though. To be continued.